Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to continue with my vintage candy, restoring my vintage candy. So I just keep pulling stuff out of here until we get through the whole bag. But I found another jelly bracelet. This one looks like it's seen better days. And this one and some links. Oh wow, these have a date on them. 87, 1987. Holy crap. Wasn't expecting them to be that old. That's cool. Probably got these at a thrift store. This necklace. You know what? So this one's like a little loose, but I think it has enough life in it. So I'm not going to repair this one today. But I love these beads. Like, these look like little spaceships. And these stars. They're like thinner than your traditional ones. But I absolutely love those beads. And these are mini pony beads. They look like um, Michael's because they're so bright. I don't know if you remember from my past video, but back in the day, Michael's used to carry the brightest beads. But yeah, this is really cool. It needs to be washed for sure. It's been to many dirty warehouse parties. Alright, so this piece, oh my goodness, I'm like scared to even pick it up, to be honest. Um, so I, I actually made this. I believe this was my first cuff made in this style. But what had happened was someone at a Chicago party gave me a bracelet, and we didn't have tutorials then. So what I did was I looked at the bracelet and I tried to figure out how how they made it. I couldn't figure it out. Oh, well, I mean, I did, but not the way that they made it. They made it with one string, like, we do today. But what I did was kind of like a loom bracelet. I had all these different strings. Um, I think I used a bead box. I think I had all the strings. Um, let's see if I can give an example. Let me get a bead box here. I think what I did was I used this as I put all the strings in here and then closed it and then strung each bead on. Oh my god, it must have taken me hours. Definitely did it the hard way, but that's really how you had to learn and teach yourself back then because we didn't have tutorials. But I I don't know if I can repair this. I don't think that I would want to remake it, like I did, because that's just too much. But I was wondering if, like, should I make it like how we do now with one string? I'm just really, I'm afraid. I don't know what to do. What would you guys do? Should I leave it as is and maybe put it in a bag? I mean, because it's really about to go. And if you see This is like the thinnest elastic possible. That's what I used when I first started, which I can't believe this is still together, but yeah, I don't know. I am scared to tackle this. Let me know what you guys would do. But this is going to be the one we're going to repair today. This one is pretty stretched out. And I'm pretty sure Puffy gave this to me in 2000, probably 2001. But I need to find the knot. Where's the knot? Oh, there it is. Hidden in the teddy bear. Okay. Yeah, like I want this to come back, but I'm afraid, I'm just so afraid like I'm going to cut a string and then like lose the pattern just because there's just so many strings. Oh, okay, there it is. So we're going to start with the teddy bear. I think I go this way. And let's see here. Yeah, I think I'm going to do this outside one first. Hopefully I don't lose my string in the process. But this is called a double. And these were popular in the early 2000s. But yeah, I haven't wore this one in a long time. Yeah, they just get to this point where they're, you loved them so much and they stretched out and you're afraid to wear them because, I have had Kandi just break on me at a party, or I remember in high school it happened a few times. So I just learned my lesson. Like if they look like they might break, then I just retire them. Okay, so now we're back. I'm gonna go through the teddy bear and do the other side. I think he gave this to me at the Dayton Gym Club. That's where they had a lot of raves back in the day. I wish they still did. They turned it into a theater, so you couldn't even use it if you wanted to. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm going to tie these two together. And got that. the original. Oh. Okay, I'm going to pull these out. And here's the original string. And put that knot where it was originally, behind the teddy bear. Oh, cute. So it looks like, yeah. I love it. Cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this this video. I don't know so much that it was a tutorial, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.